Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a VR for a challenge giveaway, and it's for a celebration of 1 year anniversary here on YouTube for Miss Dahlia, and she's ManDaLee Cards and More here on YouTube. I will leave the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below so you guys can go and check it out. She is just requesting a MEMORYDEX card or an ATC card, so, and then to do a video response. So I did a MEMORYDEX card, and I'm going to gift it in one of my envelopes that I've made, but does it help with the light? Let's move over a little. Ooh, sorry. There you go. So this is the MEMORYDEX that I made, and I just layered it up and added this little charm. And then of course my information on the back. So yes, Miss Dahlia, congratulations on being on YouTube for a year. That is awesome. Keep pushing forward. I love seeing your channel. I love all your crafty things you do. She's so creative and very inspirational. If you don't know who she is, go check her out. Like I said, I am going to leave the description. No, I'm going to leave the link, her link, in my description box below. So, hope you guys are staying healthy and, you know, getting time to craft as well as spending time with your family. You can't just shut yourself in your craft room. But until the next video, shakas!